Good day, guys. One more day, heavy rain around Sydney, and I come bring the kayak. I'm gonna put the kayak on Parramatta River. This is the boat ramp at roads, so I'm gonna put the kayak here. I'm gonna go a little bit up at the river. I'm gonna be around here, the poles on the bridge. I'll show you guys the railway bridge. So the other side is Meadowbank. Today, one more time, I'm gonna be chasing the bream. There's a couple good spots around this area, and I'm gonna chase that bream. All right. So load up the kayak, put the kayak on the water, and back to you guys soon.